Ovation.
I'll explain what this is while it cools off if it wasn't self-explanatory. I've got a customer doing a needing a drop-in turbo for application. He wanted to go with the Precision 4831B, which only comes 4-bolt and 5-bolt outlet turbine housings. And if you didn't know, we are a Precision Direct distributor. So if you need a turbo, give us a call. But anyway, got him the 4831B in that he wanted, and I'm converting it to a vband outlet T31 flange to fit into what he already has. He's already got the manifold and downpipe combo with this flange on it, so I'm just converting this housing, welding it up inside outside, keeping it flat, so it can be a drop-in out the box when he gets it. So I'll let this cool off because it's extremely hot right now, and get it put back together in the box, and away it'll go today.